Hey guys, I'm gonna do a cold start on my little Civic here, and listen how ridiculously loud this thing is. It's so loud it sounds like a rattle, but it's not a rattle because I banged it with a rubber mallet from front to back. It's just the pitch. It's a certain vibration that sounds like a rattle. Horrible. I just got this car a few weeks ago. I did the front end so far. Two coats of compound, coat of polish, coat of wax, and I did the deck lid. They came out gorgeous because they are in tough shape. There's a lot of water spots and stuff that's not going to come out. I'm on my way to a shop that they're going to wrap this in the same exact color. Yeah, I mean, this is a little pinker because, you know, age. But I'm going to get the roof wrapped. I'm not even going to waste my time trying to cut that. You like my towel? That helps keep the wear down on the seats. Listen how horrible this sounds. Right? Bad. This car's in pretty good shape, very good shape actually. I have the SI carpets coming today. This middle piece here that's getting torn off. I have a custom leather piece that fits right over that. I fixed this boot already. Well, I didn't really fix it. I just kind of gimmicky looking, but it's better than having a boot that hangs. And that's about it, really. I'm thinking about getting rid of this. This is the first on the Civic 73. But, yeah, I don't think I really want it on the dashboard. We'll see. Anyway, that's my cold start.